So today we are going to start ninth class physics. So the first chapter is motion. So we will study the first chapter, which is motion. So let's talk about motion. We see many objects like birds fly, fish swim, or blood flows through the artery and the vein. We see many objects like which is in rest position or which is in motion position. Sometimes we also see many objects directly that this object is in motion, and sometimes we are not able to capture that this object or this thing is in motion position or rest position. Like when the wind is blowing, we cannot see that this is in motion position. So sometimes we look at the branch of the tree or leaves of the tree. So then we say something like wind is blowing. So sometimes we see the object like object is moving, and sometimes we are not able to see the things which is moving. Like we can say, do you know what is the region of sunset and sunrise? Because of the motion of the earth. So even you are not able to see the motion of the earth. So it is a indirect motion, not direct motion, because you are not able to see even it is in motion. So motion are two types. Direct motion, indirect motion. So we have given you examples. You have to note down in your notebook. Further, we see many objects like you might have seen when you are traveling from the train, and you peeped out from the window outside and look at the tree which is going backwards, and you are going forward. So we sometimes see that an object is in motion position or rest position. Like you are moving with the fellow traveler, then you see that your fellow traveler is in rest position with respect to you, and with respect to you the tree is in motion position. So we need to assume something that we are in motion or not, we are in rest position or not. Like we say something that this is in rest position. Your means is that with respect to you this is in rest position. Like if we say something that our house is in rest position, no, our house is not in rest position, because earth is rotating, earth is moving. So our house is also not in rest position, our house is also moving. So we see different objects that it is moving or it is moving or it is in rest position. So we cannot say that this object in rest position. So we need to assume something that we need a point, we need to locate something that this is the object in rest position with respect to you, or we need to locate the points of the objects where it is with respect to you. So we need, if we are talking about 2D, so we need two points. Suppose our object is here. Let us consider an object O is here. The points of an object are x, y. This is x plane and this is y plane. This is called origin. So with respect to origin, the points of this object is x, y. With respect to origin, the point of an object is x, y. We need to consider something to locate the point of any object. So we can say that this object is the object is located here. So we see many examples. We see many objects like atom, molecules, and galaxy. These are objects all in motion. So we can now detect the motion. What is motion? This object is in rest position, or this object in motion position. So now we will talk about controlled position or uncontrolled position of an object. So what is good? You have to write down in your notebook controlled motion or uncontrolled motion. We will talk about more in this video. So we know that everything which is controlled is good for us. Which is not controlled is sometimes harmful or maybe may destroy your things. So we need controlled motion. Like you see the car is moving on the roadside, and when we need to stop the car, so we pull the brake, or we push the brake. So we need to we control the motion by pushing the brake. So we need control motion, not uncontrolled motion. Like sometimes we listen that brake of the car is destroyed, or we can say breakdown. So that car is rammed into the any body that can destroy that body also. So motion is controlled motion is good, not controlled motion is good. So you have to write down of the many uncontrolled motion. So that's all for the video.